is a trip to Fukushima in the Lake Inawashiro and Mount Bandai area. We stayed at a log cabin, enjoyed a barbecue, and the following morning headed up to Lake Hibara before heading down through the farmland of Kitakata and finally heading over to Lake Inawashiro before the descent into Koriyama. Bike I'll be riding today, the BMC Rd01 Ltd. It comes equipped with Shimano GRX Di2, which is a gravel-specific electronic shifting system. The front crank is a 4831 and the rear cassette is an 1136, giving a really wide range of gearing. The front wheel is a Zip 303 NSW and a rear wheel is a Zip 404 NSW. Both are equipped with Continental GP5000 tubeless tyres. Massive moth just outside the convenience store. It's massive. It's about the size of my hand. Don't want to get too close, it'll take my arm off. That's Mount Bandai over there. You can see just in the distance across the rice fields. In a month or so, this will all be covered in snow and people will be skiing here. So this was kind of my last opportunity to get out here. Just about to enter the Bandai Asahi National Park. Pretty nice around here. Just on the Route 459. There weren't many cars out. It was probably because of the poor weather. It was kind of raining the whole time without actually properly raining. Really odd conditions. This is the Morohashi Museum of Modern Art. Pity I'm so early because it's not open yet, but the grounds are really nice. Really lovely. How's this for bus stop of the week? Got somewhere to sit. It's covered. There's a vending machine back there. Beautiful countryside. There's even a visitor centre. The buses come once a day at 1:30, so losers points for that. I reckon this is a solid 7 out of 10 bus stop. At the 7-Eleven, quite near the top of Mount Bandai, they've got these warning signs about bears. Also about monkeys as well. And just saying that the bears in the area are pretty aggressive. Views are pretty nice. I'm probably here 2 weeks early. See some of the leaves turn orange. This is Lake Hibara here. Just my luck. The skies start to clear up where I've just came from. Could be pretty nice over there later today. And where I'm heading, still really grey. It's kind of cool here though. You can rent one of the little boats and just go out on the river, check out the little islands. Some beautiful houses next to the lake as well. I don't know why the Japanese don't build more houses on the lakes like this, like they do in Italy. It's really nice. So here's a Michino Eki. We can buy all local produce. We call them there. Arigatou gozaimasu. Get some ice cream. And this is well situated because this is at the top of the climb. So you can have a bit of a rest. It smells really good. Must be the takoyaki. Size of the cabbages. That's the biggest cauliflower I've ever seen. This is pretty cool here. Little torii gate in the forest. No sign of a shrine though, which is a bit unique. The rice fields in the valleys look pretty cool. Looks like where I'm going. There's more rain. Goody gumdrops. Now the descent into Koriyama. Okay descent, but gets quite busy the closer you get to Koriyama. If I did the route again, I'd probably do more cycling around Lake Hibara and then get the train from Inawashi Road to Koriyama. I think that would be much more enjoyable. Place we stayed, little cottage, Shakedry, number 11. It's a complex of privately owned and rentable cottages. Really nice up here. Saw a few monkeys an hour or so ago. This place here was 20,000 yen on a Friday. Inside, pretty nice, full log cabin, fully equipped kitchen, bathroom, shower, and then one cool thing, because you can't get to do it very often in Japan, is the barbecue. Oh yeah. The ride was probably a 6.5 out of 10. May have been a bit better if the weather wasn't so bad, but yeah, I think average at best.